Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Let's Simplify. Since all of us are technologists and we wanted to talk about technology, let's shift our focus towards technology. Shobhayu, what do you see? Ki, where is technology going to help us with all this? And how do you see the emergence of AI? Jobs जाने वाली हैं, कुछ आसान होने वाला है. What kind of impact do you see?
There are two ways to look at AI and two segments, I would say. And Gartner does a good job in publishing this. So, what they call it as an everyday AI, and what they call it, if I'm not wrong, as a niche AI, or what you create as a product based on AI. So, I would say in the other segment, there are a lot of companies which are investing but are struggling to create an ROI based on the investment today. But on the other side, where you use AI as a productivity tool, there is a huge benefit. There is a huge acceptance also. See, there's no question AI is going to be there to help us make our jobs easier. Whether that will lead to job loss or not would be a question that I would reframe from answering now, but definitely it's going to make our job easier. Starting from GitHub Copilot to everyday Copilot that you use in your Outlook, it actually is a very good productivity tool. But more than AI, what I would say is in this space where AI, and there are some of the things which are coming up in AI, which can help us, or which I would say becomes a barrier today for some of the people in my previous generation, like my parents, is as the technology advancing, so are the cyber criminals as well. So every time you create a login, every time you share data, you have that skeptical thought process, is someone going to misuse that data? And people are finding innovative ways to counter this. I think that's where AI can actually help us a lot. Apart from the productivity that we are already leveraging AI from, and that scope is tremendous. That's where I would see AI playing a major role as well.
What advice would you give to people just joining the workforce who are already working, are 1 or 2 years experience? How should they use AI? Should they be scared of it? Should they incorporate it? या सब कुछ उसी से करवा लें?
There is no point being scared of it. They have to embrace it and they have to learn to use it
Right.
and advance with it.